All right, what's up, guys? Evan Aldo here. So, the latest thing in the exclusive Discord got stopped out of a short for a small loss. It was too tight of a stop loss. It was kind of the thing. Trying to go two shorts at the same time. Yesterday, opened up a new short, based on different things. I was already swing short. And this market's generally been just very, you know, very sideways. It's hard to really trade too well when the price is just going, consistently sideways. We haven't hit a major point in days. However, you know, what I'm thinking is going to happen is, the long-term perspective here, next few months is bearish. Let's be real. I mean, it would be unlikely that we would just come right back into the green here and just go straight up from that at this point. When I was more bullish, we were up here. We were deep in the green already. It was like we could have stayed in the green longer, like back here. Now, when you're pumping, when you're going into the red, it doesn't look to the best. It looks kind of like right here. And there could be some teases. Look, I mean, he probably came up 10, 20% here. Then he came down. It took 4 weeks to really have that crash downward. That's what could happen here. It could take a few weeks, maybe even a month or more, to come down. So that's why in the short term, I'm long, kind of a freebie trade right now. All these trades are in the exclusive Discord. And if you're interested, link in the description below. Not right 100% of the time, but we had a lot of good trades there. Your lower time frames, your daily, your 2-day, your 3-day. Kind of the bullish hope comes with the daily, and that's why I'm long right now. What I think is we'll probably pump up to like maybe 40K, then come down to like 36K. There's a blood diamond in the 6 hour. We'll talk about that in a second. We haven't even been able to come into the green on the daily just yet. I don't know if we will. These money flow crossovers into green and red are very powerful in terms of changing of a general direction, but we're not there just yet. So we'll see what happens here. 12, 16 hour. You do on the 16 hour money flow crossover into the green. I think it's short term. This could bring up to like 40 or something. What could bring us down quite a bit? Blood diamond on the 6 hour could take some time to play out. These normally, bring us down at least 7% or more. If we come down 7% from here, it would probably bring us to a very important point. Our macro bull market support area about 8% down. Logarithmic spiral line's a little bit lower there, so just a lot of support in this, this general location around 35, 36K. I think if we close a daily candle below, this line around sits at about 36, high 35s right now. Then you enter into a macro bear market. Still technically in a mini bear market, macro bull market. It could change, pretty soon. I think we're going to get an outcome, within the next month to really see, whether things really turn bearish or not. If things do turn very bearish and we end up, in the how low could we go? People ask. 200-week moving average is big. Right here, 20K. I don't know if we'll go that low, but I think 23K is a big area. Last time we crashed about 50% when it was like this in the weekly. 50% would bring you all the way down to your 200-week moving average. I don't know if we'll go just that low because this could take time to happen. This line, 200-week moving average could be up to like 23, 24 by the time that happens. Also, everyone knows about the 200-week moving average. I don't think too many people are talking about it like back here or back here. So maybe it won't go just that low. Everybody will be talking about it, and then it only goes to like 24 or 25 or something. Then you come back up. That's one possibility. That's kind of what I'm thinking. Moving on to your lower time frames. 4 hour looks pretty good. I mean, this is why I can't resist putting in at least a small long here. I mean, trigger wave in your 4 hour. I think this probably could bring you up to 40K or something here. That's what I'm thinking. And some of your lower time frames, almost good curvature on your 2 hour. Money flow crossover imminent. Your half hour and money flow crossover on your 30 minutes. So there is definitely some hope here. I think, what's most likely definitely could come up here and then right back down to 36K. Little T's, wreck a lot of longs, FOMOing up here, and then, wreck a lot of shorts that have stop losses up here, and then wreck a lot of longs that FOMOed in up here when you come down. That's the big possibility I'm thinking. Ethereum looks generally the same, kind of, if Bitcoin repeats, follows that pattern, We'll probably end up to this on Ethereum. Also, these spiral lines kind of act like magnets sometimes. So I think you will end up at this point. And then right here, this is kind of the Ethereum's like 40K level. And then you just crash right down to 23.8K. I kind of consider this fib level to be the macro bull market support for Ethereum. If you close a daily candle below that, you're probably going to crash. For Ethereum, if Bitcoin goes down, 40, 50%, 40%, I think Ethereum would probably come down to like, more than that, obviously. I don't have a fib level drawn out, but 50%, 1,300, 1,200, those are big, big places to look. And I mean, it is kind of depressing to be going down that low, but I mean, the opportunity is just so big if that does happen. In terms of your weekly, it looks a little more hopeful on Ethereum, way overheated, but you're not in the red just yet, although it kind of looks, like it looked over here. You had a big crash downward in July. So, don't get your hopes up too high. I mean, I'm surprised not like more people. I'm surprised there's not as many people shorting like crazy right now because of what we're seeing. So, especially on the weekly on Bitcoin. So, I mean, probably one of those things where you do get a little tease, you come up a little bit more, people think it's okay, and then you come right back down. That's what I think. I hope you guys got something out of this video. Please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment down below. Also, check out my trading course down below, 16% off, where I go over risk management, trading psychology, all the things I use, my strategies, everything I use to be a profitable trader. A lot of people have really liked it. I think it's going to help you guys out a lot. And also, check out my exclusive Discord, like I mentioned before, link in the description below. If you want to get some of my trade entries, stop losses, take profits, not right 100% of the time. Risk management is so important in this game, but we've had some really, really good trades there. Also, BITGET, MEXC, use my link in the description below. There's some good profits, good promos going on right now with my links. Also, Market Cipher, use my link in the description below with my discount code to get 15% off, discount code ALDO15. And that should be it. If you want to book a one-on-one session with me, link in the description below as well. All right, guys, have a good one. Goodbye.